Hello everyone, we're from Group 12. We present the result of our farewell project with title Cryptography with Substitution Cheaper. And here's the project manager from our project, Mr. Ramdhani Arif. And here is our team member, starting from myself, Stephen Juliano, Reza Sastria, Bayu Arjuna, Christian Barnes, Ferdiansyah, and Akasa Fikri. Next, our project aims to develop a classic cryptography application that allow user to secure text messages with the cryptography method. In this project, we have implemented 3 different courses like algorithm and programming, which is to implement how programs are built and how programming language is applied, and fundamental of cybersecurity courses, which is for implement how cryptography works in this project, and data literacy courses, which is to implement how to combine database in program code. Next, in this project, type of cryptography used is substitution cheaper, which is it was a method of encrypting and replacing element in the plain text, which is it was the original messages with other letter according to the system rule. In this project, tool we have used is VS Code, which is used to write, edit, and debugging the Python code. And second one was SAMPP, used to provide a local server for database. In program code that we work on have used 3 Python library, consists of tkinter, which is used to develop user interface. Second one, MySQL.connector, used to provide communication between Python code with MySQL databases. And last one was Paperclip, used to provide clipboard interface. In this part, I will explain the flow from program code of this project. Okay, first one, when the program code is executed, the line if _name is equal _main will try to execute instructions such as initialize connection to open a connection to the MySQL database and open an object from the start screen class as the parent of the main window. The initialize connection function will call the create database and create table function, which will check the availability of the database and table. If it is not met, it will automatically create the database and table according to the program code and vice versa. This section is the start screen class, which is the parent of the main window. In it there are 2 buttons. The first one, function to switch to the login page class, and the other one to the about us class. This section is the login page class, and there is a login function using a username and password, which communicates with the MySQL database when the sign in button is pressed. Then there is a sign up button, which function to switch to the register page class, and back to lobby button to switch back to the start screen class. And here is the login process by taking input and communicating it with the MySQL database. Next, this section is the register page class, and there is a register function with the several input that will communicate with the MySQL database when the sign up button is pressed. Here is the register process by taking input then communicating it with the MySQL database. And this is the appearance of the database that have been stored on the localhost. This section is the home page class. Inside there is a tools button, which will redirect to the class tool page. Then there is a dummy coming soon button and a logout button, which will execute the logout function. This section is the tools page class. Inside there is a substitution cheaper button, which will switch to substitution cheaper class. Then there is a dummy coming soon button and back button to switch back to the home page class. This section is the substitution zipper class. In it, there are several buttons that have function for encrypt and decrypt text, reset text box, copy and paste text, and back button to switch back to the toolpath class. The following are part of the encrypt and decrypt function, which will shift according to the shift value. The following is part of the copy and paste function, which will copy and paste text from or to the system clipboard. And the reset function will reset the input inside the text box. The coming soon dummy button will display a pop-up message box. Here is the logout function will display a confirmation message box pop-up. And finally, the Abacus class will display the list from our team member from this project. And for the next section, will present by Ray.
Okay, thank you, Stephen. I will explain next. Here I will explain the features. Application features. 1. User interface. Clean and intuitive UI design using TKInter with navigation menus for easy momented between pages. 2. User authentication. Implementation of login and registration via MySQL database with error notification for user. 3. Clipboard integration. The ability to copy pasted text to and from the clipboard, making it easy for user to encrypt and decrypt result directly to or from the clipboard. Thank you. My friend Christian will be continue next.
Okay, thank you, Ray. Next, I will explain about our logbook project planning, understanding classic cryptography, discussing project details, and comprehending cryptography using the substitution zipper analysis, planning the implementation of the cryptography with substitution zippers, opting to use Visual Studio Code for executing the substitution zippers program, researching Python libraries for implementing a user interface, selecting the Tkinter library, currently at 15% progress. Design. Creating a visualization of the user interface intended for the substitution zipper program, reaching a 20% progress. Mark in a conceptualizing the UI implementation. Implementation translating the UI design into the substitution zipper program in Python. Aiming for a simple UI output, the target is a Python substitution zipper program with a basic user interface. Expecting progress to double from the previous state. The next logbook updates will be provided by my friend Ari. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Akyasa Fikri Ramadan. I will present the project logbook. 6. Analysis. Carrying out analysis related to integrating the account database using MySQL as user access to the next page in the program code as well as adding page to the add program code. 7. Design. Create an overview of the page added to the add program code, such as the login, home, and tools page. 8. Implementation. Implementationing an account database in MySQL for login access to the program code that appears on the login page. Adding a home with a logout option menu or tools to, process to the zipper substitution program. 9. Implementation. Edit a new account register function that is integrated with the MySQL database and edit a register page in the add program code. 10. Implementation. Edit substitution zipper option menu on the tools page so that substitution zipper has its own page and edit a copy paste button featured in the substitution zipper text box. Edit a lobby page before going to the login page, as well as an about use as button on the page. Lobby which will display a page containing a text list of PBRM 5112 team members. 11. Implementation. Edit error message box in required parts of the program code such as filling in the login, register, save key, and checking connection with the database on localhost. For the next session, will present by Bayu Arjuna. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ari. Next, I will explain the obstacle in project work section. In this section, there are 2 points that are our obstacle, namely time management and research related to the need for user interface in program code. However, time management is the main obstacle due to lack of participation. The next explanation will be explained by Ferdiansa. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Firdiansyah and I will tell you the role of each member on this PPL team. First, Stephen Juliano as our PPL leader, Ray Sastria Haryansyah as UI designer, Bayu Arjuna as project testing, Christian Barnes Anderson Sibarani as database researcher, Firdiansyah, which is me, as cryptography researcher, and Akia Safikri Ramadan as documentation. That's all from me. I return it to our PPL leader, Stephen Juliano.
Okay, thank you. Maybe that's all from our presentation. Thank you for attention and goodbye.